Hello, welcome again. We are solving Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2025 of Civil Services Mains Exam. Question number 5 is, with the help of P theta pressure triangle diagram, compare the knock in SI and CI engine. Explain the factors which tend to prevent knock in SI engine. Impact promote knock in CI engine. So this is your P theta diagram for SI engine, and here the sudden pressure rise is after TDC, and this is the diagram for knocking in CI engine. Here the sudden pressure rise is before TDC. Okay. So here the explanation is, so on P theta diagram, pressure crank angle diagram, engine knock is indicated by a sudden or sharp rise in pressure and maximum pressure occurring after the either smooth combustion comes. So in both the cases we have a sudden pressure rise, here after TDC, here before TDC. But in SI engine, knock is an uncontrolled explosion of fuel pockets resulting in a steeper pressure rise than the normal. Here in SI engine the pressure rise is more. Here we can see that the pressure is higher as compared to, whereas in CI engine the knock is delayed combustion or auto ignition of fuel air mixture due to high temperature and pressure, which also causes a sharp pressure spike. So here the auto ignition of the mixture takes place before TDC, and it will cause a sharp pressure rise, but the pressure rise is not as high as in SI engine. So this occurs initial during initial combustion, and this occur during final combustion. Now individual explanation. So knock in SI engine causes unburnt fuel mixture in the cylinder ignites spontaneously separate from the main coolant pump. And on P theta diagram, the pressure crank angle diagram shows a rapid, almost vertical pressure rise after the expected combustion phase, deviating significantly from the smoother ideal process. And in CI engine, causes the fuel injected in the cylinder ignites spontaneously, and so that is initial part, and rapidly due to high temperature and pressure, especially in heterogeneous system. And P theta diagram, the diagram shows a very sharp increase in pressure and maximum pressure indicating a sudden combustion of fuel air mixture. So now factors which prevent knock in SI engine are: first is high octane fuel. High octane fuel resists auto ignition, which prevents smoking. Next is retarded spark timing. Advancing spark increases the temperature and pressure and promoting knock. Therefore, retarding the spark decreases the temperature and helps prevent knock. Next is lower engine temperature. A high coolant temperature increases overall engine temperature and promotes knock, so keeping the cooling system efficient helps prevent knock. Next, a leaner air fuel ratio. A slightly leaner mixture results in lower flame temperature and can reduce tendency to knock. Okay. Now these factors promote knock. So first is high cetane number knock in CI engine. High cetane number fuel. The fuel with high cetane number ignite rapidly and have a short ignition delay, which reduces likelihood of knock. Short ignition delay. A shorter ignition delay means the fuel ignites too soon after being injected, leading to knock. Low self ignition temperature. The fuels with a low self ignition temperature auto ignite too easily, increasing the chance of a knock in a CI engine. High inlet temperature and pressure. High inlet air temperature and pressure reduce ignition delay and can increase the tendency to knock.